Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to test your knowledge with a series of 10 multiple-choice questions. Each question will have 3 potential answers, and I'll give you a few seconds to choose the option that you believe is correct. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. When did Hitler invade Poland? Full date. A. September 1, 1939. B. June 6, 1944. C. December 7, 1941. September 1, 1939. Question number 2. Which British actress played Daenerys Targaryen in Game of Thrones? A. Emilia Clarke. B. Sophie Turner. C. Maisie Williams. Emilia Clarke. Question number 3. Who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey? A. Virgil. B. Homer. C. Plato. Homer. Question number 4. Which artist was performing during the Manchester Arena bombing of 2017? A. Ariana Grande. B. Taylor Swift. C. Ed Sheeran. Ariana Grande. Question number 5. How many players are there in an ice hockey team on the ice at any one time? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. Six. Question number 6. In which ocean is Hawaii located? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Question number 7. What country is Easter Island a territory of? A. Chile. B. Peru. C. Ecuador. Chile. Question number 8. Who invented the first motor-operated airplane? A. Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright. B. Thomas Edison. C. Alexander Graham Bell. Orville and Wilbur Wright. Question number 9. The Channel Tunnel links which 2 countries? A. France and Germany. B. France and the United Kingdom. C. The United Kingdom and Ireland. England and France. Question number 10. Which African country is the most populous? A. Nigeria. B. Ethiopia. C. Egypt. Nigeria. Well done. You've completed the 10 multiple choice questions. Let's review the answers. Question number 1. When did Hitler invade Poland? Full date. The correct answer is September 1, 1939. On this day, German forces invaded Poland, marking the beginning of World War II. Question number 2. Which British actress played Daenerys Targaryen in Game of Thrones? The correct answer is A. Emilia Clarke. Emilia Clarke portrayed the character Daenerys Targaryen in the HBO television series Game of Thrones. Question number 3. Who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey? The correct answer is A. Homer. Homer is believed to have authored both the Iliad and the Odyssey, two epic poems that are among the oldest works of Western literature. Question number 4. Which artist was performing during the Manchester Arena bombing of 2017? The correct answer is A. Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande was performing at the Manchester Arena on May 22, 2017 when a suicide bomber detonated a bomb in the venue's foyer, killing 22 people and injuring hundreds more. Question number 5. How many players are there in an ice hockey team on the ice at any one time? The correct answer is B. 6. An ice hockey team consists of 6 players on the ice at any one time, 1 goaltender and 5 skaters, 2 defensemen and 3 forwards. Question number 6. In which ocean is Hawaii located? The correct answer is B. Pacific Ocean. Hawaii is an archipelago in the central Pacific Ocean, approximately 2,500 miles southwest of the continental United States. Question number 7. What country is Easter Island a territory of? The correct answer is A. Chile. Easter Island is a remote island territory of Chile, located in the southeastern Pacific Ocean. Question number 8. Who invented the first motor-operated airplane? The correct answer is A. The Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright. The Wright brothers are credited with inventing the world's first successful motor-operated airplane in 1903, which they flew near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Question number 9. The Channel Tunnel links which two countries? The correct answer is A. England and France. The Channel Tunnel, also known as the Channel, is a 31-mile-long rail tunnel that connects Folkestone, England and Coquelles, France beneath the English Channel. Question number 10. Which African country is the most populous? The correct answer is A. Nigeria. Nigeria is the most populous country in Africa, with an estimated population of over 206 million people as of 2021. Did you get them all right? I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your score. See you in the next video.
Damn.